Interviews are not just about answering questions, they are about presenting who you are and how you think. Hello friends, I am Rakesh Kumar and in this video I am going to help you prepare for one of the most crucial round for your selection journey, the HR interview. I have once again brought this video to help you prepare better for your HR interview, something that equally important for freshers as well as working professionals. You know, the HR round is not about technical knowledge or subject-based questions. It's about your behavior, your attitude, and how you respond in real situations. In fact, I always say an HR interview is like a blank sheet of paper. The interviewer gives it to you, and what you write on it defines who you are. It's your story, your thinking, and your personality that fill the page. Now, within the HR interview, one of the most crucial parts is situation based questions. Unlike general HR questions like tell me about yourself or what are your strengths, situation based questions are designed to test how you act, decide, and solve problems in real life workplace scenarios. These questions help the interviewer understand your decision making, teamwork, ethics, and adaptability. They don't look for perfect answer, they look for real honest reactions. And that's exactly what we will explore in this complete HR interview series. I have carefully categorized all the important HR situation based questions in 10 parts. Each part focuses on different real world skills like teamwork, stress management, adaptability, failure handling, ethics and integrity, and more. And in every category, I have included three practical question set that interviewer commonly ask, along with a structured example to help you answer them confidently. So if you are really want to strengthen your HR interview preparation, please watch all the parts carefully and don't skip any because every section has some unique concepts, hidden tips and important questions that will help you stand out in your next interview. Alright, let's begin with first and one of the most important category, teamwork. Teamwork is the backbone for every successful organization. It's not just about working together, it's about understanding others, respecting differences, and keeping the group united towards one goal. Interviewer asks teamwork-based questions to see how well you collaborate, especially when ideas clash or team members don't agree. Because in reality, no team is perfect. You will face communication gaps, disagreements, or missed deadlines. How you define those situations calmly, positively, and fairly in what defines your true teamwork spirit. Before we jump into our first question, let me share a very powerful technique that can help you answer any situation based question with confidence. It's called the STAR method. Now, STAR is not just a fancy word, it's actually a structured way to tell your story in a clear and professional manner. It helps you stay on point, sound confident, and make your answer easy for the interviewer to follow. Let's understand what STAR stands for. The first one is S, that is called situation. In this section, start by describing the background or the challenges. What was happening? What was the context? Set the scene in just one or two lines, enough for the interviewer to understand the situation. Next is task. In this section, explain your role or the specific responsibility you had. What was expected from you in that situation? This helps the interviewer see your level of involvement. Next is action. Describe what you actually did to handle the situation. This is the most important part. Focus on the step you took, how you communicated, solved problems, or made a decision. And the next is result. In this section, finally talk about the outcome. What was achieved, improved, or learned because of your action. If possible, use real results like completing early, improving performance, or resolving a conflict. The STAR method keeps your answer structured, logical, and impressive, and it makes it very easy for the interviewer to understand your thought process. So, let's look at our first question under the teamwork category. Describe a time when you had to work with a team where not everyone agreed on the same idea. How did you ensure the project moved forward? Now this question tests your patience, communication and collaboration skills. Let's see how you can answer it using the STAR method. We have already covered what each part of a STAR method means. Now let's put it into practice. We will frame our answer exactly in that sequence, starting with the situation, moving to the task, then the action, and wrapping up with the result to complete the story. So the first section we will categorize in situation. In my previous academic project, we were a team of 5 members designing a marketing campaign. Everyone had a different opinions. Some wanted to focus on digital media, others on traditional marketing. Our discussion were becoming unproductive and deadlines were getting closer. The next part is task. In this part, we can say my goal was to help the team reach an agreement and move forward without losing time. And in the part of action, we can say I arranged a short meeting and encouraged everyone to share their views one by one. And I listed all ideas on a whiteboard and suggested combining the best parts from each plan. This way, everyone felt included and respected. And in the result part, we can say as a result, our campaign became a hybrid model combining online and offline strategy. We completed the project before the deadline and it was selected as one of the best presentation in our batch. Most importantly, our team learned how to communicate better and work as one unit. So now you know how to break your answer using the STAR method. Now let's join all those parts and see how it sounds when you deliver the answer as a complete story. In my previous academic project, we were a team of 5 members designing a marketing campaign. Everyone had different opinions. Some wanted to focus on digital media, others on traditional marketing. Our discussion were becoming unproductive and deadlines were getting closer. My goal was to help the team reach an agreement and move forward without losing time. I arranged a short meeting and encouraged everyone to share their views one by one. Then I listed all ideas on a whiteboard and suggested combining the base parts from each plan. This way, everyone felt included and respected. As a result, our campaign became a hybrid model combining online and offline strategies. We completed the project before the deadline and it was selected as one of the best presentation in our batch. Most importantly, our team learned how to communicate better and work as one unit. And that's how you can confidently answer teamwork related questions by showing that you can handle disagreements, communicate openly, and keep your team focused on one common goal. Always remember, teamwork is not about proving who is right, it's about moving forward together. Now I have explained this question and answer in detail using the STAR method. It's your turn now. I am leaving 2 more teamwork related questions for you to practice. The first question, in a group presentation, one of your team members is not meeting deadlines and it's starting to affect the overall progress of the project. How would you handle this situation while maintaining team harmony? And the second question, share an example where your teamwork helped in achieving a goal faster or deliver better result than expected. Explain the situation and your contribution in making it successful. Try framing your own answer using the same STAR method. And if you are not able to structure them or feel stuck, just drop your question in comment section along with your email ID. I will personally share the correct answer with you. So go ahead, practice well and get ready to face your HR interview with confidence. In our next topic, we will be talking about another important category, leadership. So stay tuned and don't forget to watch that video when it's released because it's going to help you understand how to showcase your leadership skill effectively in an HR interview. Thank you.